The opportunities for Indian higher education institutes are immense because India is growing and of course not demographically but intellectually also. And in time to come, the higher education have to support the nation with technology, with innovation, creativity, perception, personality, and the world, peace. In this, India has to have a good supply chain because the money has to be in the food, clothing, your accommodation, health, education, tour and travel. In this whole concept, we have to have a workforce which have to be best in the world and to have the best human resources. Industry, education industry has to see that the students which they are producing are not having only the degrees, but having the skills, the personalities, the negotiation skills, the perception, the creativity to do better in the world. And as the geopolitical situations are changing, Europe is getting weak, America is getting more fragmented with their thought process. The new concept of the Indians' ethics, culture, and new aspect is increasing in the world. India is being respected. Indians are being, given more responsibility in world form, even into the political arena. And for that, our students have to be nurtured, have to be made leaders, not the followers. This question have been into the education sphere from many a times. Industry says the students which the higher education is producing is not job ready, they are not having the adaptability, whereas the educational institution says industry is not telling them what are their requirements. So in a time to come, with many of the organizations like FICCI, like the new industry ministry, their directives, we have come to know that yes, the industry is following the education criteria, education curriculum, and in the curriculum, what the industry needs is being taught, not only taught, but the students are given internships, students go for the industrial visits, industrial people come to the academia for their expert talks, and for future, growth and development and their requirement, they previously and beforehand, they intimate the organizations that this is going to be the need after 2 years, after 3 years, like now the drone, missile, and the new aspects of nuclear submarines. The defense ministry is going university to university and telling the student, these are the requirements which will be coming within the next decade. And now only the universities are having the Center of Defense Excellence, where that aspect of getting into, because the defense is one sector, if we make it strong in the world, automatically we will be one of the Vishwaguru in time to come. And now the students who are studying, after 4-5 years, they will be into the industry and they will be the actual experienced people by 2047 to do the right job at the right aspect. Only thing is they have to understand many technologies will sleep and many technologies will be taken care of in the future. So there has to be, if we have lost the collaboration between industry and academia in the previous years and have not got the expected outcome, in the time to come, both of them have to embrace each other and get the things done.